Hi guys! Before we start the video today, I thought I'd take a second to let you guys look at the flyer we get every week from Aldi. It gives me an idea of what I'm going to find in the dumpster for the coming week. So let's go through it real quick. We can see a lot of things in here that we always find, like those strawberries right there. $1.49 a pound package. You know we're going to find some strawberries. And those avocados, we know we're going to find avocados. And bell peppers, $2.49 for a 3-pack. We find those all the time. Mangoes for 49 cents each. We're going to be finding those too. The Roma tomatoes we'll be finding. I'm sure we'll find a pineapple or two too. $1.29 each. That's a pretty good deal. Let's see, what else could we find? We might find one of those salads. I've never found one of those before, though. There's the taco shells we find a lot. 89 cents for a box. Maybe a case of water. Wow, that's kind of expensive. $4.49. Oh, I see it has the sports cap on it. Giant marshmallows. Here's what I want to find. Baker's Corner funnel cake kit. It's pretty cool. I never seen anything like that before. $2.69. Yep. And then on the back it has all the merchandise that they're giving out this week. Pretty cool. Well, of course, we can dream and hope we would get this stuff, but the odds are pretty slim we're going to find any of this. Yeah, it's nice, though. Might find that plant stand, though, or that aloe vera plant for $3.99. When they stop selling them, they'll probably throw out the rest. What else we got here? I wouldn't mind finding that garden scooter for $19.99. Or maybe the robe. I've gotten many robes from there so far. Yeah, there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. Every week they have some good stuff. You never know what you're going to find, but this helps you get an idea of what it's going to be. Alright guys, I just thought I'd take a moment to go over that. So on with the show. Alright guys, how y'all doing today? Good morning. It's raining like cats and dogs out there. It's pretty much the worst rainy day I've ever been out. I got the camera in a plastic bag, so if it doesn't look as good as it normally does, that's why. And we're just going to go in there and take a look. Probably not going to be making any boxes in the rain. The garbage man was here because the gate is closed, so I'm going to close the gate back up. And luckily the dumpster's also closed. We'll see what's in there. Here we go, guys. You ready? It's empty. This is the first time this dumpster has ever been empty since I've been coming here. The very first time. You guys get to see it for the first time. It's never ever been this empty before. Never. Well, they probably didn't want to come out in the rain and throw that stuff away, so we're going to head on to the other Aldi, but we're going to stop back here because I know they got stuff to throw away. They just didn't want to come out in the rain, so we're going to see what happens. Alright, guys. Alright guys, we're at the other Aldi. And that rain ain't letting up at all. Boom! Empty. It's a swimming pool. Boom! That's the worst I've ever... Oh my... Oh well guys. I tried for you. I went out in the rain and I did it. We got 3 empty dumpsters. No one wants to go throw the trash out in the rain. I'll bet anything in both the stores it's just sitting right there behind the loading docks waiting to get thrown away. Alright, but it's going to rain all day. They're going to have to throw it away sooner or later or it's going to start stinking inside. Well, I'll see you at, if I stop back at the other Aldi, I plan on doing that. I'll see you there. Alright guys, we're back at the Aldi. And this time, I noticed right away the dumpster is open. So I got a feeling they threw some stuff away. We left it closed, and it's open now. So let's see what happens for us. Oh, I see grapes on the ground too. See them guys? They threw stuff away. Just in that short period of time. We were only gone like 15 minutes. Boom! Look at that, guys. What a big difference, huh? Let's pick up these grapes. And this potato. Do our good deed. Alright. Well, it's loaded with potatoes, guys. You see all the potatoes in there? Jeez. Louise. Yeah, well, we're going to open up this side real quick. We're not going to be making any bags today in the rain, though, but we're going to get in and let you guys see the mound of potatoes there is. See anything else in here besides potatoes? There's pork chops. Box of coconut shrimp, that ain't no good. Mini chocolate muffins, we got enough sweets. Let's see. What do we got? Wonder what was in this foam thing. There's some cookies down there. We're not gonna worry about any cookies. Tuck that in. That's some loud stuff, ain't it, guys? Think they hid something right at the bottom of the potato mound here? Maybe. We won't be able to find out. I'm not digging through them all. Yeah, blueberries. Actually, they look good. I might take a blueberry. Come out with something. Seems like they're half packs though, huh? Not a full pack. This one looks alright, I guess. Bag of pretzels, it's broke open. I got one yesterday. So we won't take that today. Donuts. Some leftover produce. And that's what we got, guys. A mound of potatoes. Yeah. And well, there is a piece of general merch right here, guys. I almost didn't see it. Look at that. A soap caddy. Yeah, we're going to take the soap caddy. Oh, and there's another thing right here, guys. Look at that. We're going to take that too. That's funny how I missed that the first time. No, I don't see any more under there. And there could be some under all these potatoes for all I know. But there's no way to get a look. A really good look, see. I don't see anything down there, to be honest with you. Hey, look at the food he's got. Ain't that cute? That's cute. Wow, it's amazing though what they threw away in just a few minutes, right? Totally amazing. 45 minutes. I'm good. Glad I didn't get caught, right? Yeah. Alright, guys. I think it's time for us to get out of here, though. We can't be taking potatoes. Too bad they couldn't have donated all these potatoes. I usually don't say that, but in the case of these potatoes, I'm looking at them. They don't look bad. They don't look bad at all. You know? They really don't. I don't know why they threw them away. We already got some cookies. We don't need any more cookies. So let's get my butt out of here. Yeah. That's a big difference. I missed myself a butter bar. Think I can reach it? Maybe. Got it. Perfect bar. The original. Oh, it's refrigerated. It's got to be refrigerated. Yeah, I'm not going to take it and risk it. Alright guys, that looks pretty good. And it was worth coming out in this rain, right? Got to see the dumpster. And we get to do our Aldi thing. There's my dumpster sprawl from Aldi. Thank you, Aldi. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you maybe in the recap. I'm not sure if I'll have one just for this or not.